PROSSIVA means Program for Seed System Innovation for Vegetatively Propagated Crops in Africa. It was designed to resolve or overcome the bottlenecks in the seed system of vegetatively propagated crops, which include cassava, yam, sweet potato, banana, and plantain. And we call them VPCs. They are not propagated using the true seeds like we use for cowpea. So they have some unique attributes which present some bottleneck that PROSSIVA is trying to solve. We have bottleneck involving seed accessibility by farmers, and under this, we believe what contributes to it is the slow rates of propagation. That is, if we look at seed of maize and somebody has 1 cup, you can get 200 to 300 seeds on 1 cup in the next cropping season. That gives us 1 to 200 ratio. But for yam, the tuber traditionally can be cut into 5 or 6. So we have a ratio of 1 to 6. And farmers never have enough planting materials to plant the whole field that they have prepared. Another bottleneck in yam is that what is eaten is what is planted. The same tuber that is eaten is the same tuber that is planted. The second problem is that the seed itself, which is the tuber traditionally used, is bulky. It is also highly perishable. Unlike seed of maize that can be packed in an envelope and stored for months, yam planting materials will start either sprouting or getting rotten on the shelf. So we need to resolve the bottlenecks around seed handling, seed storage. The third challenge is also about the quality of the planting materials. Because of the vegetatively propagated material, it accumulates diseases, especially viruses, which reduce the yield on farmers' fields. And the other problem is that there are now some new novel technologies that farmers are not aware about. So they are still using the traditional methods. And so we are not exploiting the optimum value of the crop. In overcoming these problems, PROSSIVA is working to establish a formal seed system. What is existing with the current yam production is the informal seed system, where farmers either inherit their seeds from their parents or just save from previous planting. If they are really pushed to the wall, they may buy from fellow farmers or make food tubers and use it as seed. So PROSSIVA is working to get these improved varieties, farmer preferred varieties into the formal seed system and increase propagation ratio as well as quality and availability of the seed to smallholder farmers. PROSSIVA Yam Component works in both Nigeria and Ghana, where the national government has established, for instance, in Nigeria, National Agricultural Seed Council that regulates the production and sales of seed. In Ghana, it is the Plants Protection and Regulatory Services Directorate, which regulates the seed of crops. PROSSIVA is working to reduce the bulkiness of seed yam. So the vision for this certified seed yam is that they are small, whole mini tubers that are easily transported, easily handled, easily protected, and tested to be viable. For PROSSIVA Yam Component, success will be defined by reaching the farmers with improved seed. But before then, we want to ensure that there are seed entrepreneurs who are producing this seed and connected to the farmers. So we envision an increasing number of seed entrepreneurs who are able to collect foundation seed from early generation seed producers, multiply it in their nurseries or field, and then sell it to the farmers. So we envision increased food and increasing number of seed entrepreneurs that are not only contributing to food security, but also improving their livelihoods. And we would like to involve at least 40 to 50% of these seed entrepreneurs to be women and youth. To do this, we are engaging in partnering with farmer associations like cooperatives or individual entrepreneurs who we train on how to become registered and linked to the regulatory agencies. So we work in 6 states of Nigeria. It has expanded to 9 states based on interest. So the states include Abia, Benue, Edo, Enugu, Oyo, and Niger states. But based on interests, it has expanded to Kaduna, Ebonyi, and Ogun states. And in Ghana, we have the northern region and also the Ashanti region. Now we want to expand by engaging with more seed entrepreneurs, cooperatives or individuals who are willing to invest their land, time and efforts in seed yam production. Seed yam is livelihood, is food. We can do it. Anybody, man, woman or youth. It doesn't take a lot. You get your food, you get your money, you can even export. Welcome on board.